What's up everybody, it's Amaya. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing, and this is for February 2018. We are officially into the second month of 2018. Kind of crazy, I know, but I am so excited for this box. I just got it like an hour ago, so I was like, I need to dig into this and try all the products in here because, oh my god, I love Boxycharm. So for those of you that don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a makeup subscription box for $21 a month. You can get deluxe, sample, and full-size products for just $21 a month, which I think is insane. Each box totals $100 or more. Typically, I don't know if like that's their thing, like it's always $100 or more, but I've never gotten a box, and I've really never seen an unboxing where the box did not equal at least $100. So you get usually like $100 worth of product in here for only $21 a month. It's just such a great value. This is my favorite subscription box out of all the ones that I have. I think it's the best value. If you're someone who's really looking to expand your makeup collection and you don't have a lot of money to spend on products and test out new products, this is an awesome box. And for those of you guys that haven't seen these types of videos before, I try all the objects in the box on my face, so I look a little strange. I do whatever makeup I don't have in the box. So right now I have foundation, concealer, powder, eyeshadow, brows done, but the rest of it I don't have done. So going into the box, this is what it looks like, and the theme for this month is Galaxy Glow, which I think is kind of interesting. I was kind of expecting them to do like a Valentine's Day theme-ish thing, you know, just because it is February, but they didn't. They went with the Galaxy Glow, which I think is an interesting choice, but very cool. On the back here, it tells you kind of some information about your products, which products you got, and then how much they were. Okay, so the first thing I see in here is this Seraphine Botanicals Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. So this retails for $24, which is kind of a lot, but it says it's a blend of soft sugar crystals within a rich, nourishing salve base that gently exfoliates and buffs lips, leaving behind smoother skin with a touch of refreshing lemon zest scent. Okay, so it comes in this cute little box here, which I think is adorable. Isn't that cute? Like a little cardboard tube. And then you open it up, and then here is the actual product. Kind of looks like glue. Like, you know, like one of those glue, like what is that, like the E6000 glue comes in like a tube like this. I have super dry lips, you guys, like it's ridiculous. I'm also a lip picker, which is really bad. I'm always looking for lip exfoliators, lip balms, things to help my lips. So this is really interesting. It does not say how to use this, so I'm just assuming that you squeeze a little bit out. Oh, it smells so good. It doesn't smell lemony. I was afraid it was going to smell too lemony because I hate lemon scent, but this smells super fruity. So I'm just going to lick my lips to kind of wet them. And then go in with this. So I'm not feeling a ton of little granules, which I actually kind of like, because I feel like when things are too granular, they kind of hurt my lips and they kind of cause like cuts, which make my lips even more dry. So that did definitely remove some dead skin from my lips. Just gonna put on some of my Sugar Fresh lip balm, which I actually don't like because it's also very lemony, but I'm out of my Jouer lip enhancer right now, so this is the best I have. Okay, so that was really cool. I think this is a really cute product. $24 though is kind of ridiculous for a lip scrub, just saying, but my lips do feel really nice and moisturized. They feel very hydrated, and hey, if this works, maybe it's worth it. Okay, so the next thing in here that I see are some brushes, and these are from Crown Brush. These look so much like the Wet n Wild brushes, you guys. Like, when I first saw these, that they were gonna be like, I saw a sneak peek of the box, and like these were gonna be in here, and I was like, is that Wet n Wild? And then it said Crown Brush, and I was like, somebody's copying. Okay, so you get 3 brushes in here. This is what they look like. This trio retails for $29.99, so that's like $10 a brush. Not horrible. Okay, so we have what looks like a nice flat eyeshadow brush here, kind of a domed powder or bronzer sort of brush, and then this little small domed brush, which I think is really interesting because you don't really see brushes like this from like the drugstore or like drugstore prices, or just in general. I feel like it's really odd shape. I feel like you use it for contouring maybe. that would be good. But other than that, I don't really know what you would use this for. I am going to be using this one for bronzer. The other two, I just don't think I have a use for right now. I mean, I could use this one to like put on some eyeshadow, but I have an eye product that I'm going to be using, so maybe we'll use that for that. But this one, I don't really know what I would use this for. Okay, so I'm just going to go into my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just going to swirl this guy in here, get some product, tap some of that off. The bristles are very soft. It definitely doesn't feel like a super cheap brush. It's not scratchy or anything like that. This brush is a little bit denser than I would typically use for bronzer. It's like the right shape, but I feel like it's a little bit stiffer than I typically would use for bronzer. Maybe for contouring more, but I'm definitely not mad at it. Like, it's applying my bronzer really nicely. Okay, so I'm just gonna dust this off, and we're gonna try this with blush. So I have my Milani blush in Bella Bellini. And I just picked this up. You guys, this has to be a total dupe for NARS Orgasm. Like, it's literally the same color, but this is like my new favorite blush. I just picked it up like last week, and honestly, I've been using it ever since then. It's like my perfect flushed cheek look. Like, it's the same color as when my cheeks get flushed, so it just looks so natural and so pretty. So I'm just gonna dab this brush in here. These blushes are very pigmented. And just apply this. Oh, it works well for blush too. It really gives you a nice targeted application, and it really packs on the blush. I'm just going to go in with my Sephora stippling brush to kind of blend that out a little, because I feel like that definitely applied it really nicely, but it definitely applied it densely, whereas I like a more like diffused blush look, which is why I like using a stippling brush. But you guys, I'm totally seeing like that pink and gold shift in the blush, which I feel like I don't typically see, because I feel like this brush really like packed on the product really nicely, and then when I dusted it out with this brush, it looks really pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of highlighter. I feel like, I don't know, let's just try this one for highlighter. Let's just see. It's like round and dense, but who knows. Okay, I'm gonna go into a little bit of Champagne Pop right here. And just, oh my god. Okay, well that really packed it on. Definitely not what I'm used to, but kind of cute. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M510 to kind of diffuse that out, because that got kind of heavy kind of quick. Okay, yeah, this so far, I like these brushes. This one is very soft. It applied my bronzer and my blush so well. I don't really necessarily know if I would use this for highlighter again, but it did apply it really prettily. I mean, I like it, but I just prefer something a little bit looser. The next product in here, I don't know if I'm actually going to use or not. This is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. And can we say amen for finally a highlighter palette that is actually holographic? I am so excited. Oh my god. So this is actually holographic. It is reflecting rainbow. That is the definition of holographic. And on the inside, we have all of these fun shades right here. We have this like purple peachy reflect. It's like a duochrome shade. Like a purple here, a pink over here, a yellow here, a blue here, and a green here. It says that it retails for $39.99, which is kind of expensive. And it's 6 stunning holographic shades. Okay, so they feel, oh, that one's not really pigmented. They're very dry is the right word. But I don't know if that's how these are supposed to be. I've never owned any of these like holographic highlighters. I was never really into this trend. So I don't know how they're supposed to feel. If they're supposed to be kind of like rough, or if they're supposed to be super creamy. I don't know. Oh, that's kind of pretty. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to use these on my face, only because, just hear me out here, I have to go somewhere. If I was not going anywhere today, you guys, I would totally test one of these out. However, I'm a little scared because I have to go somewhere, and like, I'm not just going somewhere, I have to like I have dance tonight. So I don't want to look crazy. I don't know. Think I could get away with some of that pink one? You guys, you know what? I'm going for it. I'm gonna go into this pink one. I feel like the pink is kind of safe. Ooh. Oh, okay. Ooh, that's kind of cute. I was really afraid that that was gonna look like really weird, like a stripe of color on my face, but when I'm looking at myself like straight on in a mirror, I feel like you can't see it, and then you turn to the side and it's like, ooh, a little bit pinky. Especially because I applied that champagne pop beforehand. Just added like a little bit of a pinky glow. You could definitely probably build this up and make it look a lot more pink. But these are not like super glittery or anything or chunky. Okay, you guys, I'm kind of into it. I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm kind of excited. I kind of want to try out the other colors sometime. The last two products I have in here are eye products. So the first one that I have is this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. This is in the shade Amethyst. So this is what it looks like, you guys. This is full size. All these products so far are full size. And oh my gosh. So I've been wanting to swatch this so badly. Oh my god. Look at that, you guys. It's like an amethyst purpley silvery pink. That is stunning. It kind of has like a blue pink shift. These retail for $28 and it just says it's a multi-use shimmering cream. And they say they're crease proof and they have a weightless finish, which I really like. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. It says that you can use it over shadow, which is why I already did eyeshadow. I think I'm just gonna try putting it just like a little bit on the lid. I don't want anything too crazy. And then just try like blending it out. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is so pretty when you blend it out. It's even prettier when you blend it out than when you just swatch it. When you swatch it, like, yeah, that's gorgeous, but blend it out, it kind of gives you like that sparkly, like messy sort of vibe. Ooh, I'm loving that. Okay, now let me try. I want to put a little bit on this eye and then blend it out with this brush, a little crown brush, just to see how it blends out with a brush as opposed to my finger. Yeah, I definitely like my finger better. I think the finger just kind of warms up the product and blends it out, whereas the brush just kind of made it look a little chunky. Okay, so I have to show you something. So this swatch on my hand has dried down. It's not budging. Like, I'm getting some off of my finger, but it's not smudging. It totally dries down, which I think is so cool. Ooh, okay. I think this is really cool. I'm kind of loving this. Okay, and then the last thing I have in here is this Vintage by Jessica Lebesque. I don't know how to say the last name. I don't know. But it's a smoky eye pencil in jet black. This retails for $21, and I don't know if this is the full size or not. I feel like it might be. But it's just a standard black eye pencil. Looks pretty creamy. I'm not a huge fan of pencil liners. I just don't ever use them. I know people use them for like smudging in the top lash line, for doing your waterline, everything like that, but I never line my waterline because I have smaller eyes, so I feel like doing that makes my eyes look even smaller. And if I'm gonna do liner on the top, I typically just do winged liner. However, I feel like today I will line up here, my tight line, with this. I feel like it never really does anything for me personally. It seems like it's gonna smoke out really well. Smoking it out right here. I don't know, you guys. I don't love this because I know it's just gonna sit in my drawer with the rest of my black eyeliners that I have that I never use, because I just never use black eyeliner. So even if it's really, really good, I feel like I just don't really use it. It's kind of a waste for me because I don't use these type of things. Okay, so that is it for all of the products this month. I'm just gonna go through everything real quick and say what my thoughts are now that I have put everything on. The Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette. Okay, I didn't think I was gonna like it, but you guys, I kind of like it. Don't quote me as saying this is really great, because for $39.99, a freaking holographic highlighting palette that you might not be able to use that much, I don't think it's a great deal. However, the highlights so far, really pretty. I'm liking it. Next, the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. So stunning on the eyes. It kind of has like that like black light sort of look. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And I have it on very subtly, so it's pretty much an everyday sort of look, but you could totally probably layer this up and make it look so gorgeous, and it totally dries down and is not budging, which I really, really like. It went on totally fine over powder eyeshadows, which I love, even though it's a cream. this little brush set from Crown Brush, it looks so similar to the Wet n Wild brushes. It's crazy, but they're super soft, super nice. Would I necessarily recommend these? I don't know, but I think they're really nice, and I'm glad I got them, and I will continue to use them. This Seraphine Botanicals Sugar and Lemon Lip Buffer, I like it so far. It definitely left my lips feeling really smooth. Sometimes with lip scrubs, it'll take the dead skin and it'll make it like show up on my lips, but it won't actually take it away. And I feel like this did, and it did have that nice moisturizing balm to it, so it felt really, really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna continue using this. I really like it. And then lastly, the Smoky Eye Pencil from Vintage. Don't know if I like this or not, because I feel like for me it's a waste of a product because I never ever use these. So I don't know. I'll keep it in my drawer because I might need a black eyeliner sometime. It feels really, really nice. It looked good. I mean, I put it on my tight line and it applied well, but just kind of a meh product for me. Okay, you guys, so this is my favorite part where I tell you guys the total of all of these products in here. And the total for this month is $142.98. So basically $143 worth of product for $21 a month. Like, that's just insane to me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. If you got similar items in your Boxycharms, if you got different ones, let me know what you thought of them. Let me know what you thought of these. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.
Delicious.